Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this in very few amount of steps. I'm going to start with a six-sided polygon and hit P, which is very important, in particular in this case. Get a 2-point line and go from there to the center. Go outwardly to the center. And that's what you need. You really don't even have to put that other line. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in that side and nudge it out of the way. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. With the pick tool, I'm going to get the two-sided arrow and bring that in. Now what I can do is I can actually delete these lines. Let's zoom in here on this. And you could play around with your colors. So I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from there to there. What I'm trying to do is make it look like a cavity of a box. I'm going to go a little further on this one. I'm going to put a light gray there and put a little bit darker gray there. And I'm actually going to take the interactive fill tool on this one and actually make it blacker as it goes in. And maybe even do the same thing on here, but maybe just not quite as black. Something like that. That looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna take any color. I'm gonna go ahead and use that turquoise because it came out pretty good. And it just filled in around that. Then I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and just swipe across. I'd go ahead and straighten up your arrow or your adjustment so it'll be more one-sided. You know, I kind of like that darkness. Now group this together, Control G, Control D, alternate C, or move your rotate. Well, I did not nudge it over. So Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 120 degrees. And that's how quick and easy it is. And like I said, you could really play around with the colors and make it look totally different. You know, maybe I could swipe around the dark on this one too and do whatever you want to. But it kind of highlights, and then you could always select it all and put a black line, kind of make it kind of pop out maybe a little bit more. Anyway, really quick, really easy. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.